Happy Valentine's Day, everyone! Yeah, I'm just kidding, guys. It's not even February yet, but I just thought that with all these new releases from makeup brands for Valentine's Day, I thought might as well review something for my channel, right? So for this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Missha's Valentine's Day box. And also, yes, I'm back in this room because I prefer the lighting just because I can sit closer to the window. Because I noticed in my last two videos, the lighting was pretty bad. So, and also with this ring light, look, I can... Before I was worried about this shadow overcast, but now with this lighting, I can like balance it. So it's gonna make my videos look a lot better. And as always with my videos, I'm going to explain how I even got this box in the first place. So actually, beginning of January, I received an email from Missha US that they now have this new gift set in stock, which is the Valentine's Day box. And it comes with 5 full-size skincare and makeup products, including some Line Friends merch. And knowing me, you guys know I'm a huge sucker for these value sets, so I pretty much ordered it the next day I got the email. And then the shipping was really fast and I got it with like under 7 days. Right now on MishaUS.com, you can get this box set for $44.99 because they're doing some 10% deal right now. And there's always some special sale going on at MishaUS.com. So if you're interested in buying any Missha products, you guys should absolutely subscribe to the email or text notification service. So I actually did receive this box set mid-January, but I wanted to use each of the products thoroughly to give you guys a more conclusive, honest opinion instead of just the first impressions. And now it's time to unbox this Valentine's Day box set. So here's how the inside of the Valentine's Day box set looks like. And I'm just going to show you guys one by one each of the items. Starting with the full-size skincare items, this is probably the main reason why I wanted this box in the first place, and it is because of the Time Revolution Artemisia line. This is the Artemisia foam cleanser, and this is the really popular Artemisia treatment essence. And because the Artemisia line is one of Missha's pricier products, I was really happy that I was able to get 2 full-size products from the line with this box set. And for the makeup items, we have this Missha Color Filter Shadow Palette in the shade Blooming Filter. And then we also have... What was that? Oh my god. Next, for the lip products, we have this Missha Color Filter Stain Balm in the shade Posy. And then lastly, for makeup, we have this mascara. And it is the Over Lengthening Mascara in Wave Lash. And for the cute line friends mesh this box set came with, we have this really cute hair tie, this gel pen, really good quality. I tried the BT21 one. And we have this fruity acrylic keyring, really cute. It's like brown as a pineapple. And then we have this Wappin sticker. So this week was the week I usually experience my hormonal breakouts, and I thought, what better time to use the Artemisia line to see how it reacts to my acne. I've been using the foam cleanser and treatment essence together for 5 days now, and I can say that it really does what the description says. If you guys don't know, Artemisia, or also known as mugwort, was a really popular K-beauty skincare ingredient like for the past year. So it's really good because it has lots of antioxidants and antibacterial properties to help calm and relieve skin, especially those with people who have like acne-prone skin, sensitive skin, or dry skin. I also must know that because these 2 products are Artemisia or mugwort, that they have a really strong medicinal scent. So if you're not into that, then you might not like this, but I personally didn't mind. So this foam cleanser actually has 2 functions. You can either use it as like your normal everyday foam cleanser, or you can even put it on as a mask. I think I prefer to use it as just a foam cleanser just because when I tried using it as a mask, I underestimated how much it lathers up. So it was a really big mess. And for the Artemisia treatment essence, I've only been using it for like around 5 days, so I can't really tell you guys how much it's changed my skin. But obviously right now it's covered by makeup, but I did have like some shallow blemishes around this area, and I think that this might have helped get rid of it faster than usual. So I'm looking forward to using this product longer so I can actually see the long-term results. So those are the 2 Artemisia skincare products that I think really makes the Valentine's Day box a really good value. So let's move on to the makeup portion. So first we have this Color Filter Stain Balm in the shade Posy, and it's like a cool tone pink. Swatch it for you guys right now. It's really sheer, just the way I like my lip products. And here's how it looks like on my lips. I really like the glossy and sheer texture of this balm. It's just that the taste is kind of strong, but it's okay, I can tolerate it. If you're interested in the Color Filter Stain Balm, there's actually 3 other shades besides this one, but I think that this product is real easily dupable for a cheaper price. I also found out that besides MishaUS.com, not many K-beauty websites actually carry this product, so if you really want this Color Filter Stain Balm, MishaUS.com is probably your best bet. And it's actually priced at $25 right now, which is kind of a lot in my personal opinion. So that's why I'm really glad that this Stain Balm was included in the Valentine's Day box set. The next item is one of the main highlights for this Valentine's Day box set, and that is the Missha Color Filter Shadow Palette in Blooming Filter. And here's how the inside looks like. And as you can see, it comes with shades for your eyes and your cheeks. I believe this palette came out in early 2021 and it's really good for spring colors, and I think it's really versatile because you can have like your daily matte looks, or you can like add in the glitter and make it pop more. Here's how the swatch of each shade looks like on my arm near my ring light. And overall, I think this is a good eyeshadow palette. I love how pigmented and smooth the matte shadows are, especially, and this shimmer shade is so beautiful and reflective. The only complaint I have about this palette is that this shade Glitz, which is the chunky glitter shade, is hard to apply when you use your finger. Like, I just find out the chunky glitter doesn't come off at all when I try to use it as a topper, and that this blush shade Magnolia has a lot of kickback when I use it with a brush. So off camera, I'm just gonna do a look using this palette and I'll come back. Bye! Alright, and I'm back with a completed look of my eyes, so let me just give you guys a close-up of how it looks. So like I said before, it's a pretty good palette and it's perfect for daily looks like the one I just showed you. And here's how the blush shade Magnolia looks like on my cheeks, and you might not see much color, and that's because it's a pretty bright pink. And finally, the last product of this Valentine's Day box set is this mascara, and it is called the Over Lengthening Mascara in the form Wave Lash. So let me just open it for you guys. I really love the packaging of this mascara. It is not like other ones I've seen before, and it's because it has like this, I don't know if you can tell, but it has like this sleek kind of modern angle. It's not like straight, but it's like really curvy, and you guys get the point. According to the description, this mascara claims to provide high intensity and long lashes and delivers a dramatic lift to the lashes like high waves at the sea. So I actually used this mascara a few times, and I find that it's not really like a lengthening mascara, just because to my surprise this is actually not a fiber mascara. If I compare it to like the Appeal one I used in my bestsellers review, that one is more lengthening, but this one gives more like a feathery finish based on the times I used it, of course. And here's how the wand looks like. And like I said before, I'm not really a huge fan of big wands just because I'm prone to messing up my mascara. So I'll just end with you guys right here to show you guys what I meant. Oh my god, I already messed up. It is pretty lightweight though, which I do like. So here's how my eyelashes look like with the mascara on. And I personally find that this mascara doesn't actually lengthen my eyelashes, but it does give a good lift. I was surprised to find out this is not a fiber mascara, just because that's what I feel like most K-beauty brands are doing these days. So compared to this Appeal Born to Be Mad Proof mascara, this one is a lot more easier to remove, and it's also a lot more natural looking. Overall, I'd say that this is a decent mascara, but it's just that the big one is pretty scary, and as you can see, I already like messed up a little bit on my eyelids. So because of that, I don't really see myself grabbing for this mascara often, just because I have other mascaras that give me the same effect and have a skinnier wand for application. And that was my unboxing review of the Missha's Valentine's Day box set, and overall I pretty much like everything that was included. Whether you buy for $45 or the original $50 price tag, I think that this Valentine's Day box set is worth the price just because it comes with two full-size Artemisia line products and also the color filter products that you might not find so easily in other K-beauty websites. So for Valentine's Day, this is the perfect box set if you just want to treat yourself, or you want to treat your friends or your partner, because I actually forgot that Valentine's Day is for like a loved one. And that's all I have to say for this box set. I'm sorry for the lighting that keeps going darker in this video, you know, me with my terrible habits. So once again, don't forget to click on the like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!